In today's video, I'm going to show you how to align any symbol vertically in Microsoft Word. Vertical alignment is a useful formatting technique that ensures your symbols, such as arrows, check marks, or special characters, are perfectly positioned in the middle of a line, cell, or page. This is especially helpful when creating professional documents, tables, forms, or designs where precise placement makes your content look neat and organized. To start, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to align a symbol, or create a new document if you're starting fresh. Next, insert the symbol you want to align. You can do this by going to the Insert tab at the top of the Word window, clicking on Symbols, and selecting More Symbols. Choose the symbol you need, then click Insert, and it will appear in your document. Once the symbol is inserted, select it by clicking on it. If it's inside a table cell, place your cursor in the cell containing the symbol. The alignment options may differ slightly depending on whether the symbol is in regular text, a table, or a text box. To align the symbol vertically in a table cell, go to the Layout tab under Table Tools. Here you'll see a section labeled Alignment, which contains options for top, middle, and bottom alignment. Click the Center Alignment button to center the symbol vertically within the cell. If your symbol is in normal text or a text box, click on the symbol and a font small window will appear. For text boxes, go to the Format Shape panel, then select Text Options and click on the Text Box section. Here, under Vertical Alignment, choose Align Center. This will center the symbol vertically inside the text box. Once you've made your adjustments, review the document to make sure the symbol is aligned exactly as you want it. You can tweak the settings further if necessary to achieve precise positioning. And that's it. Now you know how to align any symbol vertically in Microsoft Word, whether it's in a table, text box, or within a line of text, giving your document a clean and professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.